Did you know that affiliate marketers can make up to $10,000 a month with just a few hours of work a week? In this video, I'll show you how to get started fast and start earning passive income in just a few minutes. Hey, I'm Alpela. Welcome to my channel. Kindly make sure to watch this video to the end to get all its benefits. And if you're looking to make money online with affiliate marketing and blog monetization, you're in the right place. In this short video, I'll show you quick steps to start earning today. First, affiliate marketing. This is where you promote products, and if someone buys through your link, you get a commission. It's simple to start. Just sign up for platforms like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Find products that fit your niche and promote them. Choose products that solve a problem for your audience. People are more likely to click and buy when they feel it will benefit them. Create content around those products, whether it's a blog post, a YouTube review, or a social media post. Providing value leads to more sales. Now let's talk about blog monetization. If you already have a blog or are thinking about starting one, you can earn money through ads, sponsored posts, and selling digital products. Google AdSense is an easy way to get started with ads. Just sign up and let them handle the rest. Reach out to brands for sponsored posts or promote affiliate products within your blog content. This creates multiple streams of income from a single blog post. Want to boost your income even faster? Combine these strategies. If you're writing a blog post about fitness, include affiliate links for fitness products and run ads. This way, you're earning from both ads and commissions, all from one piece of content. So there you have it. Affiliate marketing and blog monetization are two of the fastest ways to start earning passive income. Start small, stay consistent, and your online earnings will grow. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips on making money online. Drop a comment if you're already using these strategies and let me know how it's going. Want more quick tips on earning passive income? Watch this video next. Click the video on the screen to learn more about creating online income streams, and be sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.